So let me guess. You've heard that diet soda is the villain when it comes to gut health, right? Okay, be honest. When you think about what's bad for your gut, is diet soda the first thing that comes to mind? I mean, it's practically public enemy number one, right? Artificial sweeteners, gut bacteria, leaky gut, it's all over the internet. But here's my 2 cents. There's something that is way worse for your gut than diet soda. And the crazy part, you are probably doing it every single day without even realizing it. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I promise you will rethink everything you thought you knew about gut health. Alright, let's talk diet soda for a minute. It's true, diet soda isn't exactly a probiotic powerhouse. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can mess with your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in your digestive system. These sweeteners can reduce the diversity of gut bacteria and even promote the growth of the bad guys. But here is where things get interesting. Diet soda isn't the ultimate gut health destroyer. In fact, for most people, it's just a small piece of the puzzle. The real problem is something so common, we barely even notice it anymore. Stress. Yep, you heard me, stress. Chronic stress is hands down one of the biggest threats to your gut health. And here is why. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Sounds harmless, right? But cortisol can actually weaken the lining of your gut, leading to something called leaky gut syndrome. Basically, it makes your gut walls more permeable, allowing toxins and bacteria to escape into your bloodstream. This means undigested food particles and toxins can slip into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation all over your body. It doesn't stop there. Stress also kills off good gut bacteria and allows harmful bacteria to take over. The result? Poor digestion, a weaker immune system, and even mood swings. Think about the last time you had a super stressful day. Maybe you skipped meals, reached for junk food, or felt bloated for no reason. That's your gut reacting to stress. Studies show that stress reduces the diversity of your gut microbiome. And the fewer types of bacteria you have, the worse your digestion and overall health get. And here is the kicker. Your gut and brain are connected through something called the gut brain axis. So when your brain is stressed, your gut feels it too. That's why you might get stomach aches before a big presentation or feel off after an argument. Now, let's compare. Diet soda might slightly disrupt your gut bacteria if you drink a lot of it, but stress doesn't just disrupt, it destroys. Chronic stress doesn't give your gut bacteria a chance to recover. Think of it as a constant storm that keeps wiping out the good guys. And let's be real, stress is way harder to avoid than diet soda. You can swap diet soda for water, but you can't swipe your boss, your deadlines, your family drama. Yeah, didn't think so. Here's where it gets even more interesting. When your gut health suffers, it's not just your digestion that takes a hit. Your mood, energy levels, immune system, and even your skin can suffer. Have you ever noticed breakouts during stressful times? That's your gut and stress teaming up to ruin your glow up. Okay, Now that we know stress is the real culprit, let's talk about how to protect your gut from heat. Here are my top strategies for managing stress and keeping your gut healthy. 1. Prioritize sleep. When you don't sleep enough, cortisol levels spike and your gut suffers. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to give your gut bacteria time to repair. 2. Eat probiotic rich food. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir can help replenish the good bacteria in your gut that stress wipes out. 3. Exercise smartly. Did you know that light to moderate exercise boosts gut health? Try walking or swimming to relieve stress without overdoing it. Laugh often. Yep, laughter really is medicine. It reduces stress, hormones, and boosts the happy chemicals that improve your gut health. So, watch that comedy special. You deserve it. Now, am I saying that is so that get a free pass? Not exactly. It's still worth cutting back on, especially if you are drinking it every day. But the real key to gut health isn't just about what you eat or drink, it's also about managing stress. That's the game changer. Because let's face it, what's the point of avoiding diet soda if you are letting stress wreak havoc on your gut every single day? So, what do you think? Are you ready to focus less on diet soda and more on stress? Let me know in the comments. What stresses you out the most and how do you deal with it? I might feature your tip in my next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and hit that subscribe button for more relatable health tips. Until next time, stay calm, stay healthy, and remember, you've got this.